Hi, sales enablers. Let's talk about Showell inside Salesforce. Salesforce is a powerful CRM, and with Showell integrated, you can take your content-driven selling to the next level. But first, an important note. Salesforce is highly customizable. That means the way Showell appears in your environment and what's available depends entirely on how your admins have set it up. So some of the features you'll see here might look different or be placed elsewhere in your setup. Let's explore. You can access Showell directly inside your Salesforce interface. Open the Showell tab, and you'll see the familiar structure with your presentations, files, folders, and shared spaces. Your sales content is always at hand, right where your reps are working deals, updating opportunities, and engaging with leads. Need to find that one-pager for a specific product? Use the search or browse, just like in the full Showell app. Once you've found what you need, open it, present it, or share it directly. No need to switch tools or windows. Next, with Showell in Salesforce, you can instantly share content, or link previously created shares to your customer records, and keep track of them in Salesforce. From the Accounts, Contacts, Opportunities, or Leads tabs, you'll find quick action buttons. As an example, let's open a record under Contacts. Here you might find one of the following options, or both: Share files from Showell and Associate with Showell Share. Share files from Showell allows you to create a share and link it to this record. While creating the share, you'll find a Recipients field. This is autofilled with the current record, but you can add more recipients, from leads, contacts, or even someone not yet in Salesforce. There's also a Related To field. Use this to relate the share to an opportunity, account, or event. Ticking Search Related Only helps narrow down the options. For the rest, you can create and manage your share as usual. For full details, check out our video on content sharing. Now let's look at the other option. Associate with Showell Share. This opens your share list, any share you've already created in Showell. You can open a share of your choice, add new recipients, or relate it to other records. Handy, right? Each record page will also show a Showell Shares section. This shows all shares that are linked to the contact, lead, account, or opportunity, right at a glance. You can also relate Showell shares to calendar events. Let's open the calendar and add a new meeting. Done. By clicking More Details, you'll find the same convenient options: share files, associate an existing share, or view already related shares. From the Showell Shares tab, you'll find a complete list of all shares. And from here, or any record page, you can click on a share to view its details and analytics. Clicking See Share Details in Showell will open the share in the full Showell app. There, you'll get even deeper insights, including engagement data and recommendations. Lastly, there's a fully customizable dashboard. You can monitor and analyze shared content using data widgets inside your Salesforce dashboard. To help you get started, we provide several ready-made templates. Admins can design custom widgets to show the most relevant data. These widgets can even combine Salesforce and Showell share data, giving you a complete picture of your performance. So to sum it up, Showell inside Salesforce helps you bring your sales content into your CRM workflow. It's powerful, seamless, and customized to fit your team. With Showell, you'll keep enabling those sales, even inside Salesforce.